Good morning. I'm heading out for my first Parks on the Air activation, heading out to Kilowatt 0494. It's a beautiful day in the Willamette Valley, and I thought what a great day to just take a little bit of time and head out to a park and do an activation. You know, the October weather is getting a little chilly in the morning. You can feel the fall weather and you can see the leaf changing on the trees. So I thought, you know, what a great day to get out and do an activation. So come join me. Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air. Out here on the Willamette River this morning. The park activation is not very far away. It's over at the Ankeny Wildlife Refuge. Okay, well, unfortunately this area is closed due to wintering waterfowl. Beautiful area, and you know, we want to respect the wildlife in the area. There's bald eagles, golden eagles. We have two kinds of pelicans that fly through here. Okay, so you know, I think part of the ham hobby is learning how to improvise. I realize this area is closed, as we can see here by the sign. And so I definitely don't want to break that. I am on the driveway, and I am on certainly the public side of that gate. So I think what I'm going to do is just try VHF on simplex and see if we can make any contacts without breaking the law. I think that's probably a good thing. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is W0KNI, W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air.
Whiskey 0, Parks on the Air. Give your call sign again, please.
Yeah, no problem. Whiskey 0 Kilo November India.
All right, Steve, this is K-07, Romeo Mike Oscar. Name here is Refuge.
I copy Kilo 7, Romeo Mike Oscar. You are number 1. This must be Rusty.
Yes, it is.
And according to my logs, we have talked before. It might have been this site as well. You were number 1 into the Ankeny Refuge, 0494, I think.
Yeah, that's very possible. So what's your park reference today, Steve?
Yeah, it is, for POTA, it is K-0494, and you are number 1.
All right, I got K-0494. And what's the name of that park?
This is the Ankeny Wildlife Refuge down by Buena Vista, off Sydney and River Road. south of Salem.
Well, that's excellent. Yeah, I'm up between Sherwood and Newburgh. I've got an excellent shot to the south, so I'm sure.
Excellent, yeah. Good day for it. Figured try to get something in the afternoon. I tried doing this probably about a month ago with the 5-watt handheld, and I got a few contacts but didn't get 10. And so this time I've got a 25-watt mobile, so hopefully it's coming in a little bit better.
You're coming in just excellent. Yeah, good signal here. Anyway, all right, Steve. Well, good to hear from you again. And I logged in at 2033 hours.
Copy that, 2033. 73, have a great day.
All right, thank you, sir. K7 RMO clear.
QSL for W0KNI, Parks on the Air. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is W0KNI, W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air.
Kilo India 7, Tango Romeo Foxtrot.
Kilo India 7, Tango Romeo Foxtrot. I copy Kilo India 7, Tango Romeo Foxtrot. This is W0KNI. You are number 2 into K-0494. I copy Kilo India 7, Tango Romeo Foxtrot. Cody? Copy that. Thanks for the contact. Cool. Number 2. Wow, that was all within minutes of itself there. That was within 2 minutes. Cody faded, so he was probably traveling, probably mobile. Okay, let's keep on going. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is W0KNI, W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is W0KNI, W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air. Saves the voice if you pre-record what you're doing. I don't mind doing it one after the other, but this definitely saves the voice. This is W0KNI, W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air.
Whiskey 0 from Kilo 7, Romeo November Juliet.
Kilo 7, Romeo November Juliet, you are number 3 into Kilo 0494. Copy?
QSL, Kilo 0494, number 3. Congratulations and good luck. It's pretty windy out there today.
Yeah, a little breezy, but you know what? I'm not in the office, so that's a good thing.
That's a good place to be, my friend. 73, and good luck with your application.